welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to hide formula in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Excel and you want to hide formula so no one can see your formula, so how to do it, in this video I will show you. So here you will see I have applied a formula here, and this is the formula. When I click anywhere you will see formula in formula bar. So I will show you how to hide it. So what you have to do, first you have to select all the formula section, okay, or formula cell. Then what you have to do, here you will see format, just go to format, and here you will see format cell. Click on this format cell and go to protection. Okay, now uncheck it, logged, unchecked it, and click on OK. Okay, again what you have to do now, first we will select all the bar which has formula. Okay, so what you have to do, here go to find and select, go to special and formulas and click on OK. Okay, now again we have to go to format, then go to format cell, and then you have to just click on hidden and click on OK. Okay, again you will see the formula is showing. So now we have to protect this sheet. Okay, so what you have to do, go to review, and then here you will see protect sheet option. Click on protect sheet. Now enter the password. Okay, now click on OK. So now you will see formula is hidden. There will be no formula in formula bar when you click on it. So like this you can hide formula in Excel sheet. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.